Have you ever looked at your backyard at night and felt like it's just lifeless? Like all the beauty disappears the moment the sun goes down? What if a few simple lights could completely transform that same space? Imagine turning darkness into a warm, magical retreat without spending a fortune. Outdoor lighting isn't just about brightness. It's about creating a mood. The right lights can make your backyard feel cozy, romantic, or even luxurious. So what's the easiest way to bring your backyard to life after sunset? If you enjoy discovering simple ways to transform spaces, don't forget to like and share for more inspiration like this. What kind of lighting actually works best for a backyard? Is it string lights, solar lights, or something more modern? Many people get confused and end up mixing styles that don't match. But when you choose the right type, everything suddenly feels intentional. From fairy lights to pathway lights, each serves a different purpose. The secret is knowing where and how to use them effectively. So how do you choose lighting that looks beautiful and practical? Tell me your favorite lighting style, warm cozy or bright modern. I'd love to know your preference. Do you want your backyard to look expensive without spending too much? Lighting is one of the cheapest ways to upgrade any space. Even simple string lights can create a luxury feel. It's all about placement, not price. You don't need a big budget to create a wow effect. Small details make a big difference at night. So how can you achieve a high-end look on a budget? Share this with someone who loves budget-friendly home upgrades. Have you ever noticed how shadows can make a space look dramatic and beautiful? It's not always about adding more lights, but placing them smartly. Uplighting trees, walls, or plants can create stunning effects. This technique is used in high-end outdoor designs. And the best part? You can recreate it at home easily. It adds depth and personality to your backyard. So how can you use light and shadow like a designer? Share this with someone who loves decorating outdoor spaces. It might inspire their next project. Are you worried about electricity bills if you install outdoor lights? That's one of the biggest concerns for most people. But what if you could light up your backyard almost for free? Solar lighting has changed everything in outdoor design. No wiring, no high bills, just clean, energy-efficient lighting. It's perfect for beginners and budget-friendly setups. So how can you use solar lights effectively without compromising style? Have you ever used solar lights before? Share your experience in the comments below. Do you feel your backyard is too small to look impressive at night? Most people think lighting only works for big spaces, but actually, smaller backyards can look even more magical. With the right placement, you can make your space feel bigger. Lights can guide the eye and create an illusion of depth. Even a tiny corner can become your favorite relaxation spot. So how can you make a small backyard look stunning with lighting? Subscribe if you want more smart ideas to upgrade small spaces beautifully. Have you ever thought about lighting for safety and beauty at the same time? Pathway lights don't just look good, they prevent accidents too. They guide your steps while adding charm to your garden. It's a perfect blend of function and design. You can highlight walkways, stairs, and edges easily, and it instantly makes your backyard look organized. So how can you combine safety with style in your lighting setup? Like and share if you love ideas that are both practical and beautiful. What if your backyard could become the perfect place for evening gatherings? Lighting can completely change how people experience your space. Soft lights encourage relaxation and conversation. Bright lights make it ideal for dinners and activities. It all depends on how you layer your lighting. You can create zones for different moods and purposes. So, how do you design lighting for entertaining guests? Do you prefer quiet evenings or lively gatherings in your backyard? Comment your vibe. Are you struggling with messy wires and complicated installations? Many people avoid outdoor lighting because of this issue. But modern solutions are much simpler than you think. Wireless, solar, and plug-and-play options are everywhere now. You don't need professional help for most setups. Just a little planning can save time and effort. So what are the easiest lighting solutions for beginners? Subscribe for easy, beginner-friendly ideas that anyone can try without stress. Do you want your backyard to look expensive without spending too much? Lighting is one of the cheapest ways to upgrade any space. Even simple string lights can create a luxury feel. It's all about placement, not price. You don't need a big budget to create a wow effect. Small details make a big difference at night. So how can you achieve a high-end look on a budget? Share this with someone who loves budget-friendly home upgrades. Have you ever imagined walking into your backyard and feeling instantly relaxed? Lighting has the power to change your mood instantly. After a long day, a well-lit backyard feels like therapy. Soft glows, gentle highlights, and calm ambiance matter. It's not just decoration, it's an experience. Your backyard can become your personal escape. So how do you design lighting that feels peaceful and calming? What helps you relax the most? Soft lights or complete darkness? Let me know below. Have you ever thought about how colors in lighting can completely change your backyard vibe? Most people only use warm white lights and miss out on creative options. What if you could switch colors based on your mood or occasion? From romantic evenings to festive gatherings, color lighting adds magic. It gives your backyard a dynamic and lively feel instantly. Even a simple color change can make the same space feel brand new. So how can you use colored lighting without making it look overwhelming? Like and share if you love creative ideas that make your space feel unique and exciting. So now you see. Your backyard doesn't need a complete makeover. It just needs the right lighting strategy. From creating a cozy atmosphere to enhancing safety, from budget solutions to luxury looks, everything comes down to how you use light. By choosing the right types, placing them smartly, and focusing on mood, you can transform any outdoor space into something truly special. Whether your backyard is big or small, modern or simple, lighting gives you the power to redesign it every single night. Now it's your turn. Start small, experiment, and watch your backyard come alive after sunset.